Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a collaboration and it's called Antonette's Vignettes, and it is a monthly collab, and that's hosted by Antonette Decorating. So the co-host of this month is I Style, My Style. Now the theme that we're following for this month is I'm keen on black, white, and green. Now I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host channels down below in my description box along with their channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see how everybody decorated their vignettes. So now jumping into the video, today I'm going to be setting up a vignette right here on my coffee table, and I am going to be using a thrifted item that I'm so happy to show you. I can't wait. So now if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. And for all those oldies and goodies that have been with me for a while or from the beginning, I would just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now remember, in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette, and also make sure and click that like button, because when you click that like button, you help us YouTubers to grow on YouTube. And don't forget to comment below, because I would love to hear from you. So that lovely pink bouquet you see in the background, along with these candle holders, are all DIY items that I have videos for. Now I'm going to go ahead and see if I can link them in the description box below. Now I am so happy to show this item to you. This tray I thrifted at the Salvation Army. What a huge tray, a beautiful tray, silver. All I had to do is clean it and polish it. It is absolutely gorgeous. We're going to be using this today. Now I decided to use a vase, and this was a DIY vase. I used some crushed glass. It is absolutely beautiful. And now we're going to be arranging the florals in the vase before we place it in the vignette. Okay, now this is the green that we're going to be incorporating in the florals. I also put some fern in there, and so we're just going to fluff that up a little bit to where we're happy, and then we are good to place this in the tray. So now this is the cloth I decided to drape over that vignette, and that says believe. So I purchased this bunny from the Dollar Tree, and I also purchased that checkered pattern contact paper, and I did my DIY, and voila, look how beautiful this bunny came out. This definitely reminds me of Antonette. So now we're adding our finishing touches to the vignette, and we are almost done, guys. So we light the candles, and we are almost ready for the reveal. So I do hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.